he rongua te tā moko. Moko is healing. You know, we have intergenerational trauma. We have enforced loss. Enforced in the sense that we weren't allowed to speak. We weren't allowed to apply our marks. We weren't allowed to live our lives. And along with that oppression is the disappearance of our world. There's so many ways that we're healed through moko, and now when I see it, so many years on, like we're nearly 40 years on, you can see the impact on the way we feel as people, but importantly the way we feel as individuals as well. Tā moko is a pretty difficult space to be in the early times because mainly the captains were men. But I was just really driven by the fact that there wasn't a female voice. Some of the main challenges, I guess, were should I be applying moko to men, you know, because men revived and they were applying moko to everyone, and then there was the question about should I be doing men? I had to apply my own research, so I always had my own lens over it. Now, you know, we're starting to talk about what does it look like for women in the future. Now we have practitioners, we can actually be future thinking and future planning and set a space aside for women. We don't have to be tracking what everyone else is doing with moko. For me, the award is really thank you, but it's the difference that's important. If I've got somewhere and someone said I've made a difference, what I've actually done, what it's done for our people, hopefully that's the important thing.